Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I hope you all are fine. I would like to say thanks to Director Ghulam Nabi sir and thanks to my respected teacher Sangeeta ma'am who gave me a delightful chance to speak before of you. I am Namsha Shamim. I am from Chaman Road, Kopaganj, and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English Kopaganj branch, which is the best guider of English language. Today I am here to deliver a speech on a very beautiful and fantastic topic, importance of time. But before starting my speech, I would like to say some Hindi lines. वक्त से लड़कर जो अपना नसीब बदल दे, वक्त से लड़कर जो अपना नसीब बदल दे, इंसान वही जो अपनी तकदीर बदल दे. कल क्या होगा कभी ना सोचो यारो, क्या पता कल वक्त खुद अपनी तस्वीर बदल दे. So without any further delay, let's get started my speech. Importance of time. Time is very precious and we should not waste it in any ways. Likewise, we can earn the money we spent, but we cannot get the time we have lost. So this makes the time is more valuable than money. Hence, we should utilize the time in the most possible way. Also, it is very important factor for the progress of human being. Time is running continuously. Time once gone is gone forever. It never comes back. It gives equal opportunity to all. It doesn't say the poor or rich, young or old, healthy or sick. It gives equal importance to everyone. We can buy everything in this world with our money, but time cannot be bought. Time is very precious and valuable thing for everyone in this world. Also, we should use it for our good as well as for the good of others around us. This will help us, the society, towards a better tomorrow. Moreover, we should teach our children the importance and value of time. Most people don't understand how valuable time is until they lost it. Besides, there are people in the world who prioritize money over time because according to them, time is nothing, but they don't realize the fact that it is time that has given them the opportunity to earn money. In conclusion, we can say that time is the greatest gift of God. Moreover, they are saying that if you waste time, time will waste you. Only this line is enough to justify how important and valuable time is. I would like to say a quote about time. An inch of time is an inch of gold, but you can't buy that inch of time with an inch of gold. That's all. Thank you so much for listening to me. Have a nice day. I'm so happy to be here. I will never forget this day. So again, thank you so much, you all wonderful people. Thank you so much to all of you.
ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में।